Hello class 10th, this is lesson number 3rd, exercise 3.1. Now the first question. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Okay, now represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Now, so first take present age of Aftab and his daughter. Okay. Now let the present age of Aftab is X and present age of his daughter, let's suppose Y. So according questions, Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago. That means before 7 year. That means according question, before 7 year, Aftab is and his daughter is. So before 7 year, x minus 7. That means age of Aftab x minus 7. And before 7 year, his daughter is y minus 7. That means present age minus before 7 year. So y minus 7. According to questions, 7 years ago, I was, so I means Aftab. Aftab was 7 times as old as his daughter. That means x minus 7. So before 7 year, Aftab is was. That means equal 7 times. His daughter is y minus 7. X minus 7 equal to 7 into y, 7y minus 7 7 ja 49. Okay, x is x. Now transpose 7y this side, so minus 7y minus 49 same. Now transpose 7 this side, so minus, so there is plus. So x minus 7y equal to minus 42. That be first equation. Now second part, also 3 years from now. To 3 years from now, that means after 3 years, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. That means Aftab say 3 years from now. So after 3 years, Aftab is, so present x after 3, so plus 3, so x plus 3. Daughter is after 3 years, y plus 3. Okay, so Aftab say 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So Aftab will be 3 times daughter is after 3 years. So Aftab is x plus 3, daughter is y plus 3. It's 3 times. So x plus 3 is equal to 3y and 3 3 ja 9. X 3y transpose this side minus 3y and 3 transpose this side, so 9 minus 3, there is 6. So there is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42 and x minus 3y equal to 6. There is algebraically represent. Okay, now we represent these equations in graphically. So because there is two questions, x minus 7y equal to minus 42 and other is x minus 3y equal to 6. Okay, so first to make two tables. Okay, for first x minus 7 equal to minus 42. Now transpose minus 7y on this side, so x equal to minus 42 and plus 7y. Okay, now make a table x and y. Okay, now let's suppose we put value of y. You write any value. Let's suppose there is 5. So we put there is 5. So 7 into 5. 7 5 ja 35. So minus 42 plus 35. So value of x is minus 7. Okay, when we say value of y 5, so that time x is minus 7. Now another time, let's suppose we put y is 6. So 7 into 6, 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 42 negative. So minus 42 plus 42. So x equal to 0. So when we put y is 6, so that time value of x is 0. Let's suppose another value. We write y is 7. So 7 into 7, 49. 49 minus 45. So we get 7. So when we say y is 7, so value of x is also 7. Now for second question, x minus 3y equal to 6. So transpose 3y this side. So x equal to 6 and plus 3y. Okay, again make a another table. Now first let's suppose y is 0. So 3 into 0, 0. So x is 6. Let's suppose we put there is 1. 3 into 1. Sorry, first minus 1. Okay, so 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 6 minus 3, 3. Okay, let's suppose another value of y, we put minus 2. So 3 into minus 2, minus 6. So 6 minus 6, so x is 0. Okay, now we represent on graph. Okay, now there is x-axis and there is y-axis. There is origin. The origin coordinates are 0 0. That means value of xy 0 0. Left hand negative values, right hand positive values. Again y-axis positive values and there is negative values. Now for first condition, okay, now x is minus 7, so y is 5. So x is minus 7, so minus 7 on this side. So minus 7 is, and y is 5, so y is 5. So they intersect at this point. So there is minus 7 and 5. Second condition, 0 and 6. So when x is 0, that time y is 6. X is 0, that means there is origin. X 0, that time y is 6. So there is 6. So coordinates are 0 and 6. Now third, x7, y also 7. Now x7, so x7 and y7, they intersect at this point. The coordinates are this point, 7 and 7. Okay, join these points, minus 7 5, 0 6 and 7 7. Now there is a straight line, there is a linear equation, and equation is x minus 7 is equal to minus 42. Okay, now for next question, x is 6, that time y is 0. X is 6 and y is 0, that means y 0. So first condition, coordinates 6 and 0. Okay, now next 3 and minus 1. So x is 3, y is minus 1. X is 3, x is 3, y is minus 1. 3 and minus 1. So coordinates are 3 and minus 1. And next x0, y minus 2. So x0, that means origin, and y minus 2, that means minus 2. So coordinate of this point 0 and minus 2. Now join these points 0 minus 2, 3 minus 1 and 6 0. So there is again straight line. Again there is linear equation. So x minus 3y equal to 6. Okay. So there is graphically a representation. Okay. Now thank you.